Hello students, next example, that is next conversion student, that is 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give A compound. When A compound react with alcoholic KOH to give B compound. When B compound react with O3 in the presence of zinc to give C compound. Again B compound react with O3 in the presence of water. What is C dash? So I will give simple friction. So it is also alkanes. Alkanes are undergo generally free radical substitution reaction. So when 2-methyl butane to give 2-methyl butane react with the chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give 3 types of product will be produced. That is, chlorine will attack first position here. First product that is we get, that is here hydrogen replaced by chlorine, CH3, then CH3, then CH2, then CH2. This is one primary alkyl halide is formed, this first product, and second product, this chlorine will attack this position, CH3, then CH, then CH3, then CHCl, then CH3. It is primary alkyl halide, it is secondary alkyl halide. Then after that, then chlorine will attack, and this position also chlorine will attack this position also. We get that is tertiary alkyl halide is formed, that is CH3, CH3, here Cl, then CH2, then CH2, then CH3 only. This is tertiary alkyl halide. We know stability order, intermediate carbocation, intermediate free radical order, we know that is tertiary free radical is greater than that of secondary free radical, secondary free radical is greater than that of primary free radical, that is we know that is order. Tertiary is free radical is greater than secondary free radical, secondary free radical is greater than primary free radical. This is the order student. We know out of these three, 2-methyl butane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, it use 3 types of product will be produced, first product, second product, third product. Out of these 3, we consider the only major product. Tertiary alkyl halide is the major product, so we consider only this is the A compound. We consider the major product only, this is the A compound. I am writing, so that I am writing A compound, that I am once again I am writing CH3, CH3, then CH2, then CH3, then Cl. This is the A compound student. 2-methyl butane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give A compound. This is the A compound. Then after that, A compound react with what is the second one student, that is alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. What is the role of alcoholic KOH student? Alcoholic KOH, that is the dehydrohalogenating agent. Dehydrohalogenating agent means elimination, removal of one hydrogen and one halogen. Chlorine from here, hydrogen from here. We get final production, that is CH3, CH3, double bond CH, then CH3. This is product 1 student. Here also 2 types of product will be produced student. Here also 2 types of product will be produced. Chlorine from here, hydrogen from here, and chlorine from here and hydrogen also here also possible. So this is also one product will be produced student, that is CH2 double bond CH3, then CH2, then CH3. This is product 1, this is product 2. Out of these 2, which one is major product? We consider only major product only. Out of these 2, first product is the major product, this is the major product. So this is the B compound, this is the B compound. What is the reason student, that is major minor? How to determine that is major and minor? Depends on hyperconjugation. This is double bonded carbon, next carbon is called alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon. So this alpha carbon is having alpha hydrogen. More number of alpha hydrogens are there, that is compound is always more stable. This is the more stable. So we consider this compound only. This is the major product. This is also 2 types of product will be produced. This is major, this is the minor. We consider the only major product only. This is the B compound student. Then when B compound, after that student, what is the student? That is B compound react with the next what student? When B compound react with O3 in the presence of zinc, O3 by zinc, O3 by zinc. Zinc ozonolysis, O3 in the presence of zinc, that is reductive ozonolysis. It is belongs to reductive ozonolysis student. We know I gave already simple trick student. Here double bonds are there, here only one double bond is there, 3 oxygens are there. Out of these 3 oxygen, cut this bond first, cut this bond, put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen here, put the one oxygen, zinc. So what is the production? That is, this is the one product student, that is CH3 CO CH3, CH3 bond COCH3 plus CH3 CHO plus CH3 CHO plus ZNO. This is the final production. So that is reductive ozonolysis, 2-methyl 2-butene on ozonolysis to give, one is acetone CH3COCH3 plus CH3CHO plus ZNO. This is a simple trick, student. This is reductive ozonolysis. Then after that, student, that is when B compound react with O3 in the presence of water, it undergoes oxidative ozonolysis. They same compound, student. Then O3 by water, O3 by water, it undergoes, it belongs to oxidative ozonolysis. Oxidative ozonolysis, it is very most important, student. O3 by Zn, that is reductive ozonolysis, it belongs to reductive ozonolysis. O3 by water, it belongs to oxidative ozonolysis. This is the two-step method, student. I said already previous video, it is two steps reaction. In first step is same product will be formed. First step also same product will be formed, that is CH3COCH3 plus CH3CHO plus, here same thing, here 3 oxygens are there, put the 1 oxygen this carbon, put the 1 oxygen this carbon, and 1 oxygen, put the 1 oxygen, remaining 1 oxygen combines with H2O. This H2O is converted into H2O2. This H2O2 act as oxidizer. It is oxidizer, it is a mild oxidizer. This H2O act as oxidizing agent. So the next step, that is further step is there. This CH3CHO reaction with H2O2, acetaldehyde oxidized with H2O2. This acetaldehyde CH3CHO oxidized with H2O2 to form acid CH3COOH. Then but when ketone, same thing, acetone react with H2O2, what happens? That is no reaction. H2O2 is a mild oxidizing agent. This H2O2 cannot oxidize with keto group, cannot oxidize with aceto group. H2O2 only oxidized with aldehyde group only. This aldehyde is converted to acid, but H2O2 cannot oxidize with keto group. This is the very most important, student. This is the simple trick, student, that is ozonolysis. Simple trick for conversion in hydrocarbon, student. That is first one is, that is first conversion, that is free radical mechanism. 2-methyl-butane is converted into 2-methyl-butane react with sunlight in the presence of sunlight. So 2-methyl-butane react with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to give A compound. It undergoes free radical substitution mechanism. When A compound react with alcoholic KOH to give B compound, it undergoes, it belongs to elimination reaction. Elimination, that is dehydrohalogenation. When B compound react with O3 by Zn, it belongs to reductive ozonolysis, that means electrophilic addition. Reductive ozonolysis, it belongs to electrophilic addition. Then when B compound react with O3 by in the presence of water, it belongs to oxidative ozonolysis. Both oxidative and reductive ozonolysis both are belongs to electrophilic addition reactions. These are the simple trick for conversion, students. Important conversions from hydrocarbons. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.